A warm and pleasant greeting to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 2022-23. I am Spandan.
I am Vishant
And I'm Rudra.
and we are from Grade 7 Excel Public School, Kurgalli, Mysore.
We chose to work on the theme development by designing solutions to improve public transportation in India. Our project is a system which helps drivers cover their trucks with the press of a button, meaning more drivers cover their trucks, thus reducing accidents caused by uncovered or overloaded trucks.
Road safety is a critical concern in India, and the transportation sector plays a significant role in ensuring the safety of all road users. The transportation of goods by trucks is a critical aspect of the economy. However, it is not uncommon to see trucks carrying goods which are inadequately covered or not covered at all. This not only poses a risk to the safety of the goods being transported, but also to the safety of other road users. Uncovered goods can fall out of the truck, creating hazardous situations for drivers and pedestrians.
There are fines both for not covering trucks and overloading. However, the law is not enforced strictly, meaning that drivers get away with not covering their trucks and with overloading. Even though most truck drivers consider not covering trucks and overloading trucks bad, the circumstances usually prevent them from covering their trucks.
This is where our design kicks in. It is an inexpensive but efficient and reliable system to automatically cover the cargo bay in trucks.
It consists of a simple system of two motors, 6 pulleys, 2 buttons, and one Arduino Uno.
It has a tarpaulin to cover the bay. The 2 buttons are color coded for easy opening and closing. The motors we are using do not require much energy since they only have to turn pulleys, which have to pull the cover. Initially, we had plans to have bevel gears, worm gears, and axles, but we realized that there was a simpler way to do it, which eliminated the need for gears and axles. This is the outcome of a month's hard work.
We faced many obstacles in creating mechanisms. We changed the mechanism, program, and materials. We overcame all these obstacles and finally finished our project.
If our project makes it into the top 100, we are going to add sensors to check whether the truck is overloaded or not, to check if it is covered, and to check whether the amount of goods in the truck exceeds the limit of the cargo bay. If it is overloaded or not covered, the truck's engine will not turn on.
I have done the programming, hardware, and document.
I have done the research document.
I've done the hardware and video editing.
Thank you.